Next, we come to arriving at. So what is critical to quality for you? If you are going to a shop, I'm going to send you shopping. You're going to go buy a sari. What is critical to quality for you? So many things which are critical to quality. For just purchasing one sari, how many CTQs the customer has? Critical to quality. When will you say, yes, I'm happy? If you get a very good sari, very reasonable price, you were treated well in the shop, you were shown enough of variety, correct? All of that happens, only then you become a satisfied customer, because all of that is critical to quality for you. So when we look at critical to quality, what we are trying to understand is from the customer's viewpoint, not from a manufacturer's viewpoint. From the customer's viewpoint, what all is he looking for? What is critical to quality for a car customer? Kind of speaker system, this kind of carpets, leather on the dashboard, wood on the dashboard, look and feel. All that is critical to quality, right? Some may be very, very critical, some may be secondary or tertiary, and there may be some primary, but there also you have a lot of critical to quality. For any kind of purchase a customer does, there are certain things which are critical to quality. And if you make sure that whatever is critical to quality for the customer is being provided at the best way, in the best way possible, you're providing all that he wants, then you are doing super good, correct? And if you are missing any of the areas, if you find that as a problem with safety, then where will you do a project? Obviously, you will pick up safety as a concern for a project, right? If they have a problem with variants, then you will see, okay, I must probably do a project to see how we can improve the different variants we can provide to the customer. So depending on whichever CTQ we are missing, that is a definite area to pick for project. Okay. So that is how we'll do a CTQ tree. Those who are working in BPOs, you will know that you have different CTQs for a BPO, like quality, call quality. Even if you all others who are not working in a BPO, when you call a customer service, number, like maybe for a bank, what is it that you expect? You don't have to call multiple times, and then you don't want to be put on hold multiple times, correct? You don't want to be transferred from one department to another, correct? And every time you're transferred, you have to explain your problem again. That also you don't want. And you need the person speaking to you to speak nicely, politely, sweetly, correct? So all of this is what is critical to quality for a customer calling in a customer service. He wants first time resolution. He wants more time to answer the call. That is AHT. That's called average handling time. So the handling time of the call should not be too high, correct? Then they should be, call quality should be good. I do not have to spend too much time on the IVR. I should not have my account details compromised, correct? If I'm giving some details to the bank, I should not want that leaked all over the world. So I don't want my account details compromised. So these are the critical to quality for any call center also. They will be looking at CQ scores, that is call quality scores. They will be looking at CSAT, customer satisfaction scores. They will be looking at how well you are performing with respect to average handling time and so on. So that is exactly what these BPOs also will be looking at. At Kia, I'm sure at a car manufacturing place, they will also, for them, what is it that will be primary concern when they're building a car, when they're manufacturing a car? They will also be critically watching what is critical to safety, what is, how can we keep the cost under control, how can we provide good mileage, how can we ensure that the customer is very comfortable when he's sitting inside the car, that he wants to spend more time within the car. How do you make him buy another, make him a repeat customer? That is all what they will be thinking about. So same thing is called critical to quality. Yes.